Get excited about the 2020 Chevrolet Spark. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.